This is also interesting. Okay, only one light because inside the button today on the Finland of August 2024. Also in Karoliniškės, what was the name of the street?
Povilaičio, gatvė 12.
Yeah. I don't remember which stack is, but
160 to 195.
yes. Also in Karoliniškės, Vilnius, Lithuania, of course. Look all but this the interior and the machine and this old emergency phone still here.
Yeah.
And yeah, it was built in 1974. First the Sword was something in 21st.
Here is 11011062.
Oh, interesting sound.
Yeah. Or sound here also.
Yeah, this is completely original. Yeah, press it.
Yeah.
I also love that sound system.
Same here.
Oh, it's a little bit mind-blowing.
Yeah.
But I wonder if that machine is in bad condition.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Expected like that maintained by Povilaičio, unfortunately.
Well, that's why it's the machine is not that in good condition.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's working.
Yeah. Back to the third floor.
Mm. That's it. Thanks for watching.
That's